My subtotal would be $159. What the heck. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing video. So I got my May Stitch Fix box in today, and I just wanted to open it up and see what we got in. I'm pretty excited. It's a pretty small box again, so we'll see what's inside. I didn't really add any notes to my stylist this time, so we'll see what she picked for me. I did keep everything in my April Stitch Fix, so if you haven't seen that video already, I will link it down below so you can go check it out. And if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, also you can check out the video down below. I explain everything more in depth, but it's just a website where pretty much they style you and then they send you a box of goodies every month, and then you decide what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep. So let's get right into the video and show y'all what I got in here, because I'm pretty excited. Hope everyone's having a great day today, whatever you're doing. So of course you get your mailing envelope so you can send anything back that you do not want to keep. And then here's my little envelope from my stylist. Anyway, I'm just excited to see what's inside. So here's my little bundle right here. So let's just dig right in. I'll show y'all. Okay, I see lots of prints, so that's exciting. I love prints right now at the moment. So this is the first thing I see. Cute. What is it? It's a little top. I actually like this style. I think it's cute. I like that it's like longer in the back and it's kind of got this like fold over kind of like that. And I like the print, but I will try them on. So that tank cost $34. So that's actually not that bad for that top. And oh yeah, so it crosses in the front, and that's how it is. Next thing we see is this. Okay, it's a dress. It's actually pretty cute. It's a knit dress, and I love knit dresses because they're super soft and you can wear them all summer long, and that's amazing. So this is Fortune Ivy Sabria knit dress, and that is $38. I mean, $38 for a little knit dress. I feel like it's a little bit pricey, but I like the style and I like the dress, and yeah, let's go with it. Now this pattern I absolutely love. It's so summery. It seems like it just makes you want to go to the beach or something. And it's a cute little top. It's got like a V neckline, and the back is so pretty. Look at it. It's got like a little just tee back. That's so cute. Love the style and love the pattern. So pretty. And this top is, I think they're all size small. 9 Britain Jackie scallop detail blouse. Let's see how much that one is. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit pricier. It's $44, so it is pricey, but not that bad. Next, it's a navy polka dotted cute little dress. So it's off the shoulder. It's got cute little sleeves like that, and then it cinches in, and it's a little circle skirt at the bottom. This is adorable. And that's the back. And again, it's like that super soft kind of knit material. Let's see how much this one is. So this is 9 Britain again. Lorelei off the shoulder brushed knit dress. So see how much that one is. That is $48. And then the last thing I see is I like the pattern. It's a little dark for summer, spring summer, because it's that, you know, jewel tones, like teal, purples, and all that. So they're kind of darker for summer, but it's that kind of chiffon fabric, so it's kind of fancier, kind of like going out type of shirt. And that is everything in my Stitch Fix. Oh, let me tell you guys how much that one is. So that one is Renee Voss off the shoulder top, and it's $48. So my stylist picks total is $212. If I buy all, then I get a 25% discount, which is a $53 discount. So my subtotal would be $159. What the heck? If you hear a bunch of noise, my laundry is going on right now. So my washer and my dryer are both going, and then also I'm doing dishes in the dishwasher. So yeah, all of that is happening in the background if you can hear a bunch of things. Anyway, so you get $20 purchase credit for the styling fee, refunded to you. So then I have a promo of $5. I don't know what that is for. And so my total is $134, and I think I have a $25 credit from somebody who ordered from my referral link. So thank you guys so much. If you do want to order your own Stitch Fix box, or you want to try it out, please follow the link down below, and you can actually get your own box, and you'll get $25 in credit, and I'll get $25 in credit. So I think that's amazing, and you can apply it towards your purchases. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Okay guys, so I am wearing the dress right now, which I absolutely love this dress. It's so pretty. It's so flattering, like on the neckline and off the shoulders, and it's like a nice length, and it's super soft. So I definitely love this dress, and I am keeping it. The only thing that I'm not 100% sure about is that blue top with like those like geometric design on it. I'm just not 100% sure about that top. But I do love this dress, and I love the other dress and then the other tops. I absolutely love them. I think they're super cute, super flattering on. So I think I'm going to keep all of them. We'll see if it even makes sense for me to send back the other top, because I do get the 25% off discount. So technically I'm getting that top for free. So we'll see if it makes sense for me to send it back or not. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching another one of my unboxing videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!